Hello, I want to welcome you to Math 201, and this is your Welcome Start Here page, and this is where my information is. My name is Colleen Radke, and I will be your instructor for Math 201. In Math 201, make sure that you're just constantly clicking on the announcement page to see if there are any announcements popping up. The other thing that I would highly recommend is that you go through your links in the Welcome Start Here portion of the class. There's a syllabus in there, there's a tracking calendar, all really good information. Okay, when you start the class, you'll click on weeks, and this will take you to each of the weeks that you are going to be studying. Go down, actually yours should be at the top, but mine are at the bottom, and you'll be starting on week 1. Everything that you need for the class for week 1 will be right in this section here. There is a short lecture in this portion. Your discussion is here, and this link here will you must review the Mymathlab video. Okay, so this link is crucial. It's going to give you some helpful tips on navigating Mymathlab. Mymathlab is an extra outside of Blackboard resource that will take you to your assignments, and I'll go there in just a second. Okay, so at the bottom of every week I've also included an extra link. And that's where I've put my own videos, not necessarily that I've done, but just good videos to give you some extra insight or tutorials on the examples that we are working on each week. Okay, a big part of the class is located in this link right here. It's called Mymathlab. So I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to take us to this page right here. Okay, I'm going to press pause, and I'm going to go into my Mymathlab. Okay, when you are in Mymathlab, there are a few things that you can click on. So currently, I would actually click on entire course. If you can click on that one, what it's going to do is it's going to show you everything that's due in week 1, everything that's due in week 2, everything that's due in week 3. Okay, and then in week 1 there's a quiz. I believe that you have 3 tries. It says unlimited here, but I believe that there are 3 attempts, and you can go ahead and start the quiz here. Okay, that will take you to the questions that you will work on. Okay, and the nice thing about it is you can work through it in your time. You can click up here, and it will show you which questions you've completed, which questions you still have left to do. When you are finished with your quiz, you will click Submit Quiz, and that will get transferred to the grade book in Blackboard. Okay, so you have, I would do it 3 times and make sure that you're getting 100% on your work. The other assignment you'll have every week is a homework set. I would do your homework set first before you would go to your quiz. So when you click on your homework set, it will give you a list of questions to work through. And when you click on a question, the question will be up here, and you will put your answers in to the box where they're asking for the solution. I want to draw your attention to this little icon here. It says Question Help, and these are extremely useful. The Help Me Solve This is a link that will allow you to walk through. Let me see if I can pull up my screen here. Yeah, little by little. You can click Continue, and then it'll work through the problem with you as you go along. It'll tell you if you're doing it right or doing it wrong, and then you will finish that problem and get credit for it. Another option here is View an Example. So sometimes you can actually print these off, and students will students like to have tutorials, and if you're jumping into problems that are tricky and a little bit higher level in terms of all the steps, it is helpful to go through an example, and then you can copy this, you can print this off with using this right here, and you can put that in your notes. And some students, they like to view the textbook right from here. Okay, so using these question helpers will get you through your homework set. When you finish a quiz or a Mymathlab homework assignment, there's a link here. It says go to results. Another link you might be interested in is go to study plan. This study plan basically will provide you with extra practice and extra resources. So there are extra practice and quizzes that will help you to become more proficient and more successful. And in fact, these study plans are helpful. And here you can click all chapters and you can practice the material. And these are all of the practice points that you can earn. This will not go towards your grade, but if you're struggling with a specific topic, these different chapters might be handy. This is called your study plan. And if you click on the link for study plan, it will take you there, and it's just extra practice, okay? It's nothing that's going to go on to your grade. So for week 1, hop in and start your lecture. Jump in. Let's get some discussions going. And take a few minutes this week to get used to Mymathlab. So make sure that you review this Mymathlab video. You'll click on this link, and it will walk you through some of the extra things that Mymathlab has, kind of like what I did today. Turn in your week 1 documents quiz and get started in your Mymathlab homework set 1 and your quiz. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the classroom.